In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Tools module and use Sleep to delay your automation. If you've ever needed a brief pause in a workflow, for example, to give an external service a moment to respond, to avoid rate limits, or to space out actions for reliability, the Sleep utility is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through each action and share tips to make it work smoothly in real projects. First, add the Tools module to your workflow. Open your workflow or scenario canvas and locate the module library or search bar. Type Tools to quickly find it, then drag the Tools module onto the canvas. Place it exactly where you want the pause to occur, typically between the step that triggers the wait and the step that must happen afterward. Connecting it in the right spot ensures that only the intended part of your process is delayed. It can also help to give the module a clear label so you and teammates instantly recognize why the pause exists when reviewing the workflow later. Next, select Sleep within the Tools module. When the module's configuration panel opens, you'll see a list of built-in utilities. Choose Sleep. This utility doesn't change data or add output. It simply holds execution for the time you specify and then hands control to the next step. It's a safe, predictable way to control pacing. Now, enter the delay time. Most platforms let you choose a time unit, such as seconds, minutes, or milliseconds, or provide a single numeric field paired with a unit selector. Enter the duration you want based on the needs of your integration. Shorter waits are ideal for quick retries, while longer waits can help with scheduled availability or rate limits. If expressions or variables are supported, you can map a dynamic value so the delay adjusts with context, like waiting longer after multiple retries. Be aware of platform limits. Very long delays may not be allowed, and decimals may not be supported in every field. When in doubt, round to whole numbers and check any documented maximums. Finally, click OK to confirm your settings. The module will show the Sleep configuration in the canvas, and your workflow will pause for the specified duration before executing the next connected step. As a best practice, start with a conservative delay, monitor logs or run history for timing and errors, and fine-tune the duration if you notice timeouts or rate limit warnings. Remember, Sleep controls timing only. It doesn't guarantee external readiness unless the delay you choose accounts for typical processing times. With this in place, you've added reliable pacing to your automation using the Tools module's Sleep feature.